this video, we will look at the top 5 best rollerblades for beginners available on the market today. We made this list after interviewing professional artists, researching, testing and based on customer reviews. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 1. Rollerblade Women's Inline Skates. Rollerblades Zetrablade women's inline skates are comfortable, durable, and easy to use, an ideal combination for recreational skating. If you're a first-time roller skater, don't worry. The skates boast a low center of gravity, which will make maintaining your balance a whole lot easier. The skates are also designed with a durable frame, which will stabilize your ankles and feet as you stride. Inside the Zetrablade women's inline skates, you'll find a plush performance liner. This padding will help ensure you get a snug fit each time you strap on your skates, and it will also cushion your feet so you can comfortably conquer longer routes. At the base of each skate, you'll find 4 performance wheels. These were designed with beginner and intermediate skaters in mind, allowing you to enjoy a smooth, controllable ride as you build your skating skill set. Number 2. Rollerblade Zetrablade Skates. Rollerblades Zetrablade Elite Women's Inline Skates are designed to accommodate entry-level and intermediate skaters. But despite their range, they're still reasonably priced. The skates boast a durable shell, which is held in place by a series of buckles, straps, and laces. Though the shell is sturdy enough to keep your feet feeling stable and supported, it also allows for some range of motion. The skate's upper is crafted from mesh, a more breathable and lightweight textile than you'd find on many skates. Inside the Zetrablade Elite Women's Inline Skates, you'll find ample padding. The skates are cushioned with a comfort performance liner, which will keep your feet cozy without weighing them down too much. The soles of the skates are lined with performance wheels, which are designed to give you a swift, smooth ride. You can expect to reach moderate speeds, and to feel in control as you do so. Number 3. Atom Lugino Strut Inline Skates. Atom's Lugino Strut inline skates are low profile and lightweight, and with good reason. The rollerblades are designed for performance skaters, who care more about speed and agility than about stability and security. Whereas many inline skates boast a boot-like silhouette, Atom's Lugino Strut inline skates look more like a low-top sneaker. This absence of ankle bulk makes the skates easier to move around in, allowing performance skaters to nimbly tackle skates. But the Atom Lugino silhouette isn't the only thing performance skaters will love. The skate's carbon fiber shell is stiff but lightweight, offering ample protection without weighing you down. A series of waxed laces will help you get a snug fit every time you slip on your skates, and Atom's nano buckles will ensure the laces stay securely in place as you move around. Finally, the skates boast a convertible frame that can accommodate 3 or 4 wheels, allowing you to customize your setup based on your preferences. Number 4. Twister Edge Inline Skates. Thanks to shock eraser technology that lessens the impact of bumps or dips and a highly structured boot, these rollerblades are perfect for a city skate or trying out new tricks. The anti-torsion box on their sole also helps with speed control and maneuvering. The active airflow footbeds will keep your feet dry, comfy, and stink-free. Beautiful skates and great performance. Be sure to do your research before putting these off as a bad fit. With a hard shell boot, it takes at least a minimum of 10 hours to break them in. The first time I wore them, they were really painful where the arch of my foot is supposed to be. I have flat feet, but after breaking them in, they feel really nice and snug. I couldn't be happier. The speed on these is nice and they ride really smooth over any surface. Katia, Amazon.com. Number 5. Rollerblade Inline Skates. Multidisciplinary bladers with a penchant for sleek design, these are your perfect pair. From scenic strides to city commutes and sweaty workouts, these inline skates can do it all thanks to their durable, and well-ventilated, boots, anatomical padding, for a mega comfy fit, and heel shock to absorb vibration. Oh, and the side-adjustable frame lowers the center of gravity, so you can level up your speed and maneuverability. The Rocky Mount's Tomahawk upright mount is easy to use and even easier on your wallet. Out of the box, the Tomahawk is capable of holding all styles of bikes, fat, road, mountain, downhill, and children. No additional accessories needed, all without ever contacting the bike frame. It can mount to all styles of crossbars, hold bikes with wheels of 20 to 29, and tire widths up to 5. The Tomahawk's swing arm can easily and efficiently be adjusted for driver's side or passenger side configuration to allow the perfect fit on any vehicle.